Oh, hello there.
How we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Santa! Oh my God! Santa,
Good, how are you?
Outstanding, outstanding. I love your outfit, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, I love yours too.
Thank you very much.
You're a lot taller in person than I was expecting.
Oh, yeah, we all look a little taller once we stand up and we're not sitting on our sleigh.
Okay.
Who's your friend here?
His name's Zort.
Zort.
Yes, he's a service monkey lizard. He's emotional support. It's very crowded in here today.
I like it. Oh, wow. Wow, how we doing today, Zort?
He's doing pretty well.
Awesome, awesome. Come have a seat.
Oh, I can sit. I didn't know that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, thank you. Nice little seat there.
Where are we visiting from today?
We are from Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach.
Yeah, by way of Batu.
Okay, all right. Right down the road.
Yeah, right down the road.
In a few galaxies.
Yeah, Food Galaxy. Do you deliver on Life Day?
I do.
You do?
I do.
So I'm curious, what's a Wookiee's favorite present?
What's a Wookiee's favorite present? Good question. Good question. They have a lot of different things that they ask for, so it's hard to pinpoint.
Yeah.
Exactly. It kind of changes every
Yeah.
year.
Well, I think just remember the Wookiee always wins.
Naturally. Unless it's Christmas.
Then Santa wins on Christmas.